When you're implementing customer value management, what you're really doing is you're collecting data. You're trying to do an analysis, draw conclusions based on the data provided. You could, of course, do that in something like Excel. The problem that you're going to get is that there's going to be iterations of data, there's going to be conclusions that you draw that are going to be sitting in file versions. With a dedicated tool, you will not only have support for the actual understanding of the customer value, but you can immediately reuse it in sales. And what's even better, once you've closed the deal, you will of course want to follow up the value creation with that customer to document the actual outcome, which is beneficial for you as a vendor because you get a greater understanding of the value that you provide. But of course it's great for the customer because they will assure that you together are aiming for the results that they envisioned in the very beginning.